Yuda, Donnie Pangilinan, 100% daw na mahal niya si Belle. Ay, bongga, 100%. Say ng aktor, yes, you have to be willing to give 100% with zero expectation of receiving anything in return. Only when you're willing to take 100% responsibility for making the relationship work, will it work? Otherwise, a relationship left to chance will always be vulnerable to disaster. At kung mahal mo talaga siya, ibibigay mo talaga ng 100% ang pagmamahal mo sa taong iyon.